Hey, throw that wave again.
You guys, today is the day. It is finally happening. I'm actually here. We're waiting for them to pick us up to Elephant Nature Park. I can't even believe it. I'm so freaking excited. How many people get to live their lives to like and have their dreams come true? Like, dreams are that. They're dreams, you know. Always aim high and like reach for them, but most of the time they usually just stay dreams. But this is becoming a reality, and I can't even. I'm probably gonna cry, and I don't ever cry, so if that tells you anything, oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Alright, so a little update here at the Elephant Nature Park. We're having an awesome day. We got to interact with the elephants right out of the gate and feed them their treat and their snack for the day. Give them a bunch of, what's it called? Give them a bunch of watermelon, and then took them for a walk up to where they actually live. And then they provided us lunch, not the elephants, but the managers of the facility here. Really, really good Thai food. It was delicious, and I think we're getting ready to bathe the elephants and give them their other snack, which is like these rice balls or something. So we're gonna find out here in a second, but we let the cat out of the bag to everybody we're here with that we're YouTubers. So now we've been told, hey, we gotta get some contacts from you guys so we can check out the video. So if you guys were here with us and you're watching this, comment down below. We'll keep in touch with you guys that way. We can continue to talk about this awesome experience that we had here today at Elephant Nature Park.
Sticky rice.
So everybody is preparing the elephant's treat, which is a bunch of rice, like 10 bushels of bananas, watermelon, a little bit of salt, and some like nutritional yeast kind of thing so that they get all the nutrients that they need to help keep them alive. So this is a really remote and desolate location. It took us about a little over 2 hours to get here from downtown Chiang Mai, which is pretty significant. We're way, way high up in the mountains. Obviously they can't just leave the elephants here unattended, so they have workers that live out here and care for the elephants, and it's such a cool thing that they're providing these animals a better life than what they had. It sucks that they went through what they went through, but it is super cool to see that the human spirit and having a heart for other living beings thrives here, and they're giving them a better quality of life for this half of their life. One of the guides told us, he's like, this is pretty much like a retirement home for them, and they're giving them as good of a life that they can possibly do, and a lot of that's funded by people like us. Obviously, you know, we had to pay money to come be part of this, and there is money for the upkeep and everything, but obviously we know that our money is going to helping support these animals to have a better life, as opposed to, you know, watching them play soccer or something that an elephant's not supposed to do in the tourism industry, by letting people ride them and whatever. So it feels really good that we're able to kind of pay this forward a little bit.